Gold price today, the 3rd of February 2025, plummeted after 8 weeks of soaring, SJC and consecutive reduction rings. Gold price today, the 3rd of February 2025, continues to decline in the context of strong USD, and the tariffs in the US can have a strong impact on many economies. Domestic gold price stood still after 3 consecutive sessions. At the end of 1/3, the price of gold bars at SJC closed at 88.5 to 90.5 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, bought, sold, kept compared to the session the previous day. SJC's 1 to 5 gold ring price is listed at 88.5 to 90.4 million Vietnamese dongs per tael, buying selling, unchanged from the previous day. And the price of 9,999 rings in Doji closed at 90 to 91 million dong, tael, equal to the previous day. Gold price today on Kitco floor closed the trading week at 2,857 United States dollars, ounce. The future gold price delivered in April 2025 on the New York floor traded at 2,862 United States dollars, ounce. The gold market recorded a week of historical fluctuations, setting a new record of all time before plummeting. The future gold price in April reached the highest level of history of 2,968 United States dollars and 90 cents per ounce on Monday. The 8-week price-gaining chain of precious metals ended suddenly in the context of the strong dollar and psychological changes around the tariffs of U.S. President Donald Trump. Gold price fell 86 United States dollars and 80 cents per ounce by week, breaking the impressive consecutive price increase series starting from the end of December. However, calculated by month, gold price increased by 30 United States dollars and 30 cents per ounce, 1.07%, in February. The US dollar index, DXY, measuring the fluctuations of green copper with 6 key currencies, EUR, JPY, GBP, CAD, SEK, CHF, standing at 107.55 points, up 0.94% of the week. The efficiency of the dollar plays an important role in gold price. The market is interested in the information of the U.S. president officially confirming the implementation of 25% tariffs for Mexico and Canada from March 4, and applying 10% additional tax for Chinese goods. Earlier, Mr. Trump postponed the Canadian and Mexican taxation in early February, after the two countries pledged to strengthen border security. The Chinese Ministry of Commerce on February 28 announced that it was opposed to the U.S. president who threatened to impose more tariffs on Chinese goods, and warned that it would take an act of retaliation if necessary. Tariffs are a core content in Mr. Trump's second term of agenda. When trade tensions spread throughout emerging economies, investors are more cautious. In the US, a series of published economic data shows weakness. The largest economy in the world may be stagnant despite inflation, which makes investors worried. Data from the US Department of Commerce shows that the Personal Consumption Price Index, PCE, increased by 0.3% in January, equal to the increase of December, in which the price of goods increased by 0.5% and the service price increased by 0.2%. Compared to the same period last year, PCE increased by 2.5%, decreased slightly compared to 2.6% in December. These figures are difficult to change the stance of the U.S. Federal Reserve, Fed, on interest rates. Most analysts expect that interest rates will not change throughout the year. Investors shifted to safe shelter assets such as gold to prevent instability around the impact of tariffs on global trade. The market is concerned about the impact of inflation from the expansion of tariffs, promoting the price increase of gold. Gold price forecast. Adrian Day, president of Adrian Day Asset Management, said the adjustment of gold price may last. However, gold prices decreased less than 4% compared to the peak after increasing 12% this year. He said that at some point, the price difference between New York and London is no longer available, gold prices may drop sharply. The factors that promote gold purchase activities in the past 2 years are still. He predicted that gold prices could drop to the lowest level of 2,600 United States dollars, ounce, but relatively short. According to Jess Colombo, an independent metal analyst, this is a discount after this series increases, which is completely normal. Gold price can check the support level of 2,800 United States dollars, ounce. Kelvin Wong, a high-level market analyst in Oanda, said that gold price will maintain a solid long-term increase even when adjusted in the short term. Thank you for watching Kwok Bin New TV. Please like, comment, follow, subscribe to the channel to receive the latest information.